Back in another video here, and today we're just right here shooting our guns. Yeah, right now loading this one up. Sorry if you guys can't really see it.
It ain't on Snapchat, right?
No.
It's gonna go on YouTube.
Yeah, we're shooting guns right now.
Real guns.
Real guns, just so you guys know. It's not no BB gun stuff. Look. This is a real clip.
Hey,
We ain't playing, guys.
I'm shooting a 22 right now.
Yeah, he's shooting a 22. I just barely got finished shooting a pistol. And yeah, my ears are still effing ringing. Tell you guys that.
I'm not even counting the bullets.
The clip was super long. Oh yeah, look at one of the bullets we shot.
7. I put 7.
Yeah.
Put 8. I know.
There's a whole bunch of these on the floor just lying around.
Move around.
This is the gun my little brother's shooting right now.
Where's the 22?
This one takes these type of bullets.
Oh, here's the 22.
I know, it doesn't just, it has nothing in it right now.
Alright, come show this one.
Joseph's about to shoot it right now.
Ow.
Okay, Joseph out of bullets.
Are you sick or like this? Yeah, I put 8. Okay.
Well guys, I'll be right back. I'm back. Right now my little brother's getting some bullets on the clip.
I love shooting with 22.
The 22 is easy. It's like a BB gun.
Yeah, but it ain't.
But yeah, it ain't a BB gun. Remember guys, treat all guns with respect because that thing is a deadly weapon. Sometimes it doesn't look like a deadly weapon, but no matter what, it always is, right? So if you guys have a gun at home, make sure, guys, just remember, it ain't no effing toy.
If it's your dad's, don't touch it.
Yeah, guys, it's not a toy. I'll tell you guys that.
You don't have to say that a million times. It sounds stupid.
I know, but still. Right now, guys, I might be shooting a pistol. I'll come right back. Wait. My little brother's gonna shoot this again.
Do you have anything in there that poke the shot with?
Am I 9?
Hurry up, Joseph. People want to
Hold
see.
it. Don't.
I want to shoot
Not
this
cock
so
back
bad.
yet.
I know, Joseph.
Joe.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Just give it to me. Just give it to me.
Okay, here you go, Joseph. My little brother's gonna be shooting right now. These burn, tell you that. If people hit me.
Nothing hit me.
Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. Joseph's shooting once again.
You can see the dirt. You have to come up a little higher.
I know.
He's trying to shoot that over there, guys.
Stuck in the bag. Yeah,
Well, guys, I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. My little brother right now is going to shoot an M9. It's pretty fun. Can't lie. Look. Whole bag of effing bullets. I said bullets. And also we ran out of stuff for our guns. No, we haven't. We still have those. Well, guys, I'll be right back. Wait, maybe not. He might be shooting right now. Oh, and also, guys, viewer discretion for people who have headphones. Yeah, I'm sorry. Viewer discretion advised.
Hold on tight. A little higher. A little lower. Oh, way off.
Oh, both.
Reached open.
Oh, wait, guys, it smells like fireworks. And
Oh, my ears are ringing.
I told you, mate. Well, guys, I'll be right back. I might be shooting the gun right now. Well, guys, right there, you see that right there? We're shooting that.
Alright, let's go, Rob. He's gonna shoot a Glock.
Come on, over here. Over here. You've been shooting. Right there.
I'm not even covering my ears.
You even see where you're shooting? Where are you shooting?
At that one was gone.
I don't see no dirt moving, no nothing.
Oh, the white dot was at the white thing.
Alright, Rob, come record.
Ears, I'm still
3D7,
hearing
5.
it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And you just need
Yeah, he
5.
was recording, guys.
You load this one
Be
up
right
with
back. This is the type of guns we're working with. We're working with these nice
Push the
long
back down.
I know, that's what I'm doing.
clip.
Back down all the way as far as you can.
And we're also working with this, guys. Have to be careful with this bad boy. It's a nice one. Joseph's loading a gun right now. He's recording this right now.
Rob, oh, he's
Oh, right now, Joseph, you have to record me for this one.
he's shooting the old Western gun.
Oh, one of my personal favorites.
Hold it tight. It's a 357. Over here. How many times I got to tell you?
Does that one give a kickback?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, it does, Joseph.
Oh, that one's ringing.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
A little
Oh,
higher. Come on, don't act silly. They're not toys.
I'm gonna try to
Higher.
shoot one bullet.
I don't want to do this anymore. My hand hurts.
Hey, let me try one.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
There's 3 left.
Rob, come hold this.
Okay, be careful.
What happened?
My hand is starting to hurt.
Come on. Wait. Over here. God damn it. Leave it pointed out.
There's only 2 more bullets left in there.
So what you say is we went to a shooting range, Rob.
Okay.
Why are you doing it with one hand?
My dang ears. The pistol wasn't that loud. Last time I shoot that one was fun. Now that one's like a living bullet.
Need more in here.
Oh, my ears. Oh, I swear, man.
I shot that way more than you.
I shot 3, you shot 2.
Yeah, that was one.
Well, guys, sorry I haven't been posting a video.
357s?
Oh my god, my ears, man. Well, I might as well stop complaining. I'll wake up with a headache in the morning, I bet. Guys, this place is pretty good. I think phone's all dirty. Make sure nothing's on the camera. Well, I'll be back, guys.